Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool to record your screen with audio. So I'm going to find the snipping tool. So let me go ahead and click the Windows icon here and type snip, and you will see the snipping tool here. Now once this is open, there are a few options guys, and here by default it is set to the screenshot, right? But if you look to the right hand side, the next option here is like a camera, and this is what you want to select in order to record your screen like a video. Now once I click on the new and I select the portion of the screen that I want to, then you will see at the top right hand side, you will see the start, you will see the time, and you will also see this mic here, and you can see that there's a crossover. It simply means that it is muted. So if I go ahead and select this drop down here and uncheck the mute, you will see that it's no longer muted. But I also have to make sure that I select the correct microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and select my microphone here, and then I'm going to simply click the start button. Now I'm going to click start here. 3, 2, 1, it's going to count down, and I'm just going to speak like normally so that you can see that it's actually recording with the sound. Now once you're finished with your recording, all you have to do is just simply click stop, and it will give you an option to save your video. Now if you look on the top right hand side, you can click the save button, but I'm going to just go ahead and play it back so that you can hear that it contains a sound. And I'm just going to speak like normally so that you can see that it's actually recording with the sound. Now I'm going to go ahead and now once you're finished, and if you're satisfied with it, then you can go ahead and you can save the video as normally. And I will go ahead and save my video here, and that's how easy it is to basically use the snipping tool to record your screen with your voice. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, special welcome to Drew Tutorial, and feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one. See you next time.